No, this video is not clickbait, and yes, I am an emoji on YouTube. Ranging from Salt Bay, Saltiness Intensifies, everyone's favorite
You did it wrong!
featuring my salty burp, and of course, in the trash. I have an announcement to make. Recently, I've become eligible for YouTube memberships. Please, wait. There are a couple of things I want to be very clear about. First, think of YouTube memberships as Patreon but on YouTube. Secondly, it is not YouTube Premium. And thirdly, you do not need to get a membership in order to enjoy both videos that I put out a week and the live streams that I make public. Those two videos and the live stream that I've always kept free content for you grains will remain free. My channel will not change. Again, my channel
Will not change.
free content, free public live streams. So if you're commenting, liking, and sharing my videos, you are so important to me. Please don't think that if you can't afford a membership, that this will change in any way how my content is viewed. Because the answer is no, it will not change. But for those of you who are interested in memberships, your contribution will help me not just be able to make better content, but also explore new medium. And since my goal for 2019 is maybe to do YouTube full time and be able to write a novel, I've been wanting to work on a novel since I was a teenager. So if you're interested, you might be asking,
so what kind of perks do I get?
Luckily, I have 3 different tiers. The first tier, which is $1.99, about a cup of coffee a whole month, just 1 cup for the month, will give you access to all the emojis that I have, and might I add, they are absolutely adorable. I commissioned Sarah to make them for me. If you want information on Sarah, I'll leave all her links in the description box below. So you can use these emojis in the live streams. You also get access to cute little badges next to your name showing how long you've been supporting the channel. And these badges are the evolutions of the hats that I've had throughout the years. The second tier, which is about $4.99 for the entire month, will give you access to all of the stuff in the $1.99 perk, including private group chat live streams. Remember, you get the public ones that I've always made here and there, but this time we get a smaller group chat. The benefit of that is that we are a smaller group of people, and so I can see most of your chat and we can talk in less fast mode. Although, mind you, I like both fast mode and little groups. I can adapt. And the final tier, which is $14.99 for those of you who are interested in shoutouts. Again, I'll be taking Notification Squad shoutouts as well, so don't feel like you have to have the membership for shoutouts. But when it comes to the memberships, think of it as an almost guarantee that I'll see your name. I'll pick random people from that tier and shout them out at the end of a video. And of course, you get all the previous perks from before that. So if you're interested, click on that little button that says join. It will not register you. You can read all the information, see if it's something that interests you, and if it does, welcome aboard. And if it doesn't, stay the amazing grain that you are. And honestly, I'm telling you grains, commenting, liking, subscribing is so vital and important. These are just perks on the side that will not change the content, just give little extras that I otherwise would not necessarily have the time to make unless I had members. I'm really curious to know, out of all the emojis that we have, which one is your favorite? I still have to make a couple more, so I'll be adding more to that list. I'll be having a live stream later today, so I hope I see you grains there. It's a public live stream.